Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable all message notifications in your Discord server, step by step. If you've been missing messages or want to stay updated with everything happening in your community, this setting is the key. Let's get right into it. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account connected to the server you want to manage. Once you're inside Discord, tap on the server you'd like to adjust your notifications for. You'll find your server on the left side of the screen if you're using desktop, or in your sidebar if you're on mobile. Next, tap the server's name at the top of the screen. A small menu will pop up with several options. From there, choose Settings. This will open all the server management tools available to you. Once you're in the settings, find and tap Overview. This section gives you access to your server's main configuration options, including its name, description, and default notification settings. Now scroll down until you see the area labeled Default Notifications Settings. This is where you can control how new members and existing users receive message alerts from your server. By default, Discord might only notify you for mentions, meaning you'll only see alerts when someone tags you directly. To make sure you're notified for every message in every channel, choose the option labeled All Messages. This will ensure you never miss an update, announcement, or chat activity happening within your server. Once you've selected All Messages, your changes will automatically save. You can return to your server home screen and you're all set. From now on, Discord will send you notifications every time someone posts in your channels, keeping you fully in the loop. And that's it. You've successfully enabled all message notifications for your Discord server. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy app tips. Stay connected, and I'll see you in the next one.